Welcome back to Knowledge Corner. In today's video, we'll explore 3 exciting and innovative ways to make money in 2024. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or launch a new business venture, these ideas are sure to inspire you. Let's dive in. Investing in dividend stocks. Our first money-making idea is investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay out a portion of their earnings to shareholders regularly. This can provide you with a steady income stream without having to sell your stocks. Here are some key points to consider. Research companies with a strong history of dividend payments. Look for high dividend yields, but be cautious of very high yields, as they may indicate risk. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk. By carefully selecting and investing in dividend stocks, you can create a passive income stream that grows over time. It's a great way to put your money to work for you. Creating and selling online courses. Next up, consider creating and selling online courses. With the rise of e-learning, there's a growing demand for quality online education. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create a course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or even your own website. Here's how to get started. Identify a niche or topic you're knowledgeable about. Plan and outline your course content. Invest in good quality audio and video equipment. Promote your course through social media and other marketing channels. Starting a dropshipping business. Lastly, let's talk about starting a dropshipping business. Dropshipping allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to them. Here are the steps to get started. Choose a niche market with high demand and low competition. Find reliable suppliers through platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Salehu. Set up your online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Market your store through social media, SEO, and paid ads. Dropshipping is a low-risk way to start an online business and can be very profitable with the right strategy and effort. These are just 3 of the many ways you can make money in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Corner for more tips and ideas. Let us know in the comments which money-making idea you're most excited about. Until next time, happy hustling!